Hello, this is Rebecca with Digital Thinker. I wanted to take a few moments to demonstrate how to use the multi-document upload functionality in Digital Work. In Digital Work, there is the Documents tab, which is similar to the Documents tab available in the desktop application. There is also a quick document upload option on some screens, such as the work order screen. So the quick document upload is indicated by the icon that looks like a sheet of paper. If you tap the icon, a list of options will be available depending on the install parameters for Digital Work. Towards the bottom is an option for multi-document upload. This will allow you to select up to 5 documents to upload, and you can select either from the image library or from files. In Digital Work, to select from the image library, this is dependent on the DWIMG LIB install parameter. To select from files, this is dependent on the DWFILE install parameter. Let's go ahead and select a couple of photos to attach to this work order. So I'm going to go ahead and select a couple files and then tap Add. This is going to add them to my documents queue. Okay, so we have 3 documents queued for upload, and then I can go ahead and tap the Upload button. This will then upload the documents, or in this case, my images, to my work order. Thank you for your time.